Hi friends, it's been a couple years since we did this. I now have a 2017 Forte and it's filter time, but it's hot here in Florida, so I'm gonna make it under 5 minutes for you like I did my first video with the Soul. I paid $21.95 for it, and with tax it came to $23.38. You can compare your price they give you when they come out in the waiting room to that and see if it's worth this little amount of work. I'm having a bad hair day today, so I figured it was a good day to do the video. Look, right here, this little thing, don't let it scare you. Pop it off. You just pull it, and see this little loop comes off of this pin. Inside, there are these two knobs. You just take them out, and then the dashboard drops down. By the way, I haven't tried this before, but I watched online for other models, KIA, and that's how easy this is, and I'm doing it myself. All right, now comes the pinch. That's it. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Pull it out. Woo, it's hot here in Florida. Oh, let's see if it's as bad as my other one. Yes. We've got so much pollen here in Florida. That is disgusting. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this down, open this up. Sorry, I should have opened it up before. I'm working up a sweat, changing a filter. Okay, you know what I noticed is that they didn't have a top and bottom like they did on the Soul. Let's see. Oh, look it, they must know that people are doing it themselves because they now put instructions in here. All right. Okay, here we go. Airflow. Airflow. I should have paid attention to that. It goes down. Okay. Yeah. Stick it in there. Put this thing back on. Cool. Oh, look at this. That's where the little air comes. I didn't even see that before. Snap it back on there, she said. There it is. Snap, snap. Put this up like this. And put this duty in. Come on, get in there. Maybe I should put this thing on first. It might help hold it up. Okay. Come on, there. Oh, look at this. What a smart tool that is to have. Okay. I'm gonna mess around with these, but you get the you get the gist of it. You can put these things back in too. I just need to find the spot. I don't want to take up your time. So anyway, thank you for all your great comments, and I'm just really happy to share this experience with you for the second time. You can do it. Great.